Welcome to today's demonstration. This demonstration will be showcasing FileBound's solution capability within the Accounts Payable department. Today I'll be taking you through a FileBound Accounts Payable automation solution with a finance platform integration. So firstly, we need to start with invoice data capture. This can be achieved via scanning on your multifunction device, saving email attachments, or via a mobile device. Now with our advanced capture platform, we will identify the key data for extraction, as an example, who the supplier is, all the header data, plus optional line item information. Once capture is complete, we will migrate the invoices to FileBound and start the accounts payable workflow process. During this process, the invoices will be automatically routed for approval. Users can be either on-site or off-site with remote access. Once the invoices are approved, the invoice data will be migrated to the finance platform, removing the data entry element. Once the data is migrated, the status of the document within FileBound will be updated. Okay, now let's head over to FileBound. FileBound is a work automation platform that end users can access via a secure URL from any internet-enabled device at any time and anywhere. So let's log in as our TASS user. Once we've logged in, we've come straight into our search screen, and we can see here from our left-hand side navigation bar that we have one assignment to handle in workflow. When we click our assignments window, we've got a visual queue here where the user can simply click and open their document. Now that the viewer is loaded, here we have the document in the middle. On the left hand side we've got our digital manila folders and also our metadata that's been extracted off the document and passed into workflow. Down the bottom of our Windows viewer we've got our document workflow tab, notes showing that the document has gone into workflow, and also related line items. What I've done here is I've been able to achieve auto GL coding, and we've set this up through our workflow, and this technology can be applied to any workflow. Now we'll just switch back to our workflow tab and we'll execute our GL coding workflow step. Now that our document has been successfully routed, we'll close down our viewer, and we can see here that our assignments queue is now empty. What we can do is go and search our FileBound project for our TASS invoices, and if we do a search, we'll be able to see that our latest invoice from Dell has now been exported over to TASS. We have other statuses in the workflow depending on what and which stage the cycle of workflow is at. So you'll see them in a list here, and these are just a sample. So now let's head over to TASS and see our invoice in the system. And once we've logged into TASS, we simply go to the Finance menu, Accounts Payable, Supplier Transactions, Invoices. We can bring up our Dell supplier code, and we can see our invoice is the last one in the list here. We can also view this particular transaction, and we can open up the document directly with inside FileBound. Once the link is clicked, the document viewer will open and you'll be able to see the invoice.